Hey, I am Puzzle Geek. Hello puzzle lovers who are struggling with your easy puzzles. I'm the Puzzle Geek and I'm the world's best puzzle genius. And I'm here today to help you. I will start my own Genius series where I will teach you to solve this puzzle that you have been trying to solve for years now. And the first puzzle we are going to solve on this series is the First Cylinder by Will Stribos. If you want to know more about him, I'll let you check the video of my friend Michael. Amazing video, and he talks about this amazing Dutch puzzle designer. Now, time to show you how to solve this puzzle. So this is our First Cylinder puzzle. It looks very nice. This puzzle is made of two parts. You have a main body and then this top part that can rotate like this, and also you can press on it. And depending on how you incline the puzzle, you will hear these balls dropping like this. And if you incline it on the other side, also when you press on it, you will hear again these balls dropping on the other side of the puzzle. What you have to know to be able to solve this puzzle quickly is first, this V here works as an arrow. Then, if you look between these two parts, on the opposite of the Will Stribos signature, you will have an opening on this main part. It's quite a big one, so it's very easy to see it if you really pay attention to it. And then, the last information about this puzzle is on the bottom of the puzzle. There is this tiny hole where you can see if you are going to solve your puzzle or not. I will try to show you inside, maybe you will be able to see it. Maybe with some luck, you will be able to see the spring. That's the only thing that you will see for now. And you know that you solve your puzzle if you start to see these metallic balls in this inner cylinder. And I will teach you the 4 steps to do to solve this puzzle as fast as possible. So step 1, you have the puzzle in your hands. You will put this V on the opposite of the Will Stribos signature. At the opposite. Try also maybe to look between the two parts to see if the V is pointing to this opening. I will show the diagram just here, so you see what I'm talking about. So you align this V to the opening. Then, once you've done that, step 2. You will make sure that all the balls that are on this side right now drop on the other side, where the opening is. Now step 3, you will try to make one of the balls drop inside of this opening. So you put this puzzle upside down. And then again you press. You should hear one of the balls drop in this hole. It should make this kind of clicking sound. And then the last step, 4th one, you incline this puzzle on the this side, pointing to the top, and then you press once again. So by doing that, the ball that you trapped in this opening should get in this inner cylinder, and the other balls will go on the other side of the puzzle. So now it's time to see if it was a success or not. So let's check out if the ball is here. So here is the ball that I'm talking about. And that's how you solve this puzzle. And because there are 5 balls in total, you have to repeat these 4 steps 4 more times. It should be easy, it's just 4 steps, and then you should be able to solve your puzzle and open it. So now I will repeat the 4 steps to open the puzzle on the normal speed. And the last ball should be finally inside the inner cylinder. So you solved your puzzle easily and very fast. And now that you open this puzzle, you need to put it back. And I will show you the method to put back all these balls. So you will put back all the balls just like this inside the spring, and then you will put back obviously the puzzle like this, so you can actually press again on the top part. And now step 1, you need to put this V again on the opposite side of the signature. So you put it on the opposite like this, and what you want to do is to put your ball inside the opening of the inner cylinder. So you will kind of move it like this until you get your first ball going in this opening. Then step 3, you will put the puzzle upside down again to put this ball to this opening of the main part. Then step 4, you will rotate the puzzle upside down to put this ball back to its place. And you should have your puzzle locked. So now you can again rotate the top part and press on it to make sure that the ball go on the other side of the opening. And you will repeat these 4 steps again for every ball until you put them all back to their original place. So that's all, puzzle lovers. I hope I finally helped you to solve this puzzle that was taking dust on your cupboard. I'll see you next time for another puzzle tutorial. Bye!